Hey y'all, hey chat. It is day before prom. Day before prom. I'm on the bus waiting to go home. I'm so excited, y'all. By the time I get home, I think I'm gonna go ahead go pick up this wig from this lady who's doing my wig. She washed it, plugged it, and I'm gonna put it on, and then we're gonna style it on my head. Then we gotta go take John Michael to go get his suit. I think we're probably gonna do that and then come back and do it. It's really up to whatever happens. I got this fat pimple on my forehead. But I'm so excited. Like, I think I'm more stressed than excited because this is big for me, so I do kind of stress out. But I can't wait to bring y'all on this journey with me to prom. This is gonna be an A1 production. Y'all, Nicole, y'all ain't never seen it come like Nicole's Diary, girl. It's a Nicole's Diary production, baby. But yeah, we're taking off now, and then I will see y'all when I get home and we're actually prepping for prom. Hey chat. So right now we were actually supposed to meet up with the lady who's doing my dress, but we just did 15 things and we still ain't got my dress. The whole time we're sitting in front of Sharks right now. We just dropped my cousin John Michael off to go get his haircut because he's coming to prom with me, y'all. We're getting chicken, so I guess we'll pick up the video once I get my dress. That's me. That's up, and then you can see. Hey chat, so I just made it home, which means we're about to wash and blow dry my hair and braid it down. So let's get to it. Let's get to it. Hey y'all, so I just finished washing my hair and I'm gonna get ready to blow dry it and slap this wig on, I guess. Can y'all see me? Okay, we're good. So sorry y'all, I had to dip, but basically I just washed my hair one night and I'm about to, I washed my hair. I guess the edge was off from sideburns and wash. Everything's gonna get put up back into braids. I'm gonna blow dry it and we'll come right back to y'all. So y'all, basically we got one little twisted braid down, and but I'm finna go take these chicken nuggets from out the oven real quick, and we gonna come back and we gonna finish. Y'all, so I just got the braid down done. Let me get y'all a spin.
First of all, I wasn't talking to y'all. But y'all ready? So basically, I gave y'all a 360 spin. Now we're gonna go ahead and go put this cap on. Give me a second while I do that. So we did the breakdown, we got the wig on. I'm actually gonna come back to y'all once the wig is fully on, and y'all probably won't hear me talk on that either. I might just come back to y'all tomorrow once the wig is actually done. Yeah, this might be what I do. So I will see y'all tomorrow morning. Hey vlog, so we just made it back home after doing 18 different store runs. That's the next day. We just made it home from doing 11 different store runs. And the wig is somewhat wigging. But I am gonna get ready to take a shower so I can shave my underarms, my legs, do everything shower real quick. But yeah, that's what's gonna happen. And I'll catch y'all when I'm getting my makeup done, I guess. Actually, I'll catch y'all when I get my hair done. So chat, we officially made it to, gonna make it to the hair appointment. Hair's done. We're gonna get the lace fixed up a little bit, and then we'll be on our way to prom. Crew's all in the car. We made it to we made it. Little minor repercussions.
Y'all, this is a Keela part of the vlog. My part of the vlog probably gonna come second because Keela's a quicker editor than me.
John, Lyric, get the phone. Say hey to the vlog. Can y'all see y'all too? Oh, and the chauffeur.
Y'all, how would you like to be named? Do you want to be called chauffeur? Do you want to be called Dominic?
Don't throw that up.
This is your prom too, Dominic. What do you want?
Don't throw that up. I'm not committed there.
This is my prom too?
Yes. This the last one you gonna get. You ain't got no more nephews. Your other little cousins, B.
Oh yeah, I'll have to get my body.
Well, this the last one.
I can't really say nothing about it.
Open this.
Open that for her. Lyric. Hi, Lyric.
And open these cookies.
I got it.
I'm sorry, John. Hey, you got two first names. That's so cool.
Oh my god.
Guys, we got this thing first.
Yeah, I got mine from Peacock.
I got mine from the hair store down the street. This is the one I had last year at our prom. Well, at his prom. Dang it, that's why I forgot my tiara.
Derek said we gotta go find a little corner in the thing so we can do our 15. Yeah, we got like 15 living of them, and we got 2 on your phone. We got like 3 on Derek's phone, and I think we got like 3 on my phone.
You want to talk boo real quick?
Yeah.
Okay, so
All right, next up we have Akiva Shavers, escorted by Derek Billings.
made it to prom, y'all. We're at prom. We made it to prom. Our music gonna get copyrighted. Derek, how you feel? We're at prom.
Feel good, prom? That's 25 on top.
That's 25 on top. Can we go get a drink? I'm thirsty.
Okay, yeah.
Hi.
Look who it is. Good. Thank you, love.
Okay. I'm thirsty. Let's go. I can't stay. I can't stand for 1 second. See how they walk past you game strong? As hell. They walk past you game strong as hell. We already knew what it was. Thank you so much. I'm gonna catch y'all on the flip. Hey y'all, so basically now we at
Hey guys, if you haven't seen the vlog from my phone, it's because I have no storage. But I'm gonna record for y'all. Y'all gonna get that footage. Trust, except no Rocky, except no program, except no Nas.
How you feeling, Lyric?
Starving.
You wanna
Michael?
You can sit. John, you wanna sit over and
Wait. Hey y'all, so right now we at main event.
Yup.
I think my camera blurry. I can't really tell right now. But Maya wanna play Fast and Furious. She know good and well her ass can't fucking drive. Yeah, I want a Fast and Furious. Lyric! Can y'all wait?
You're not doing nothing. I'm trying to figure out how to get in here.
Yes, say you love me. Hey y'all, so right now we at main event. Stop off.
Anyway, thank you. We're finna get ready and play Fast and Furious, and I'm finna show Maya how to drive.
Select mission.
I don't got none of your solo shots.
I'm gonna send them to you. I thought I was gonna do my solo shots separate. Or do you want to put them in there too? Derek, you gotta swipe the card.
I did. Bro, I started it. I swiped.
Say cheese.
I told you. Go leave. Go leave.
Girl, the wig not even on.
Stop the mission.
So chat, I made it home. Prom was a success. Finna take this wig off once I get up in the morning and reinstall it, because why is the lace all the way back here? This is Stacy. Everything turned out perfect. We had fun. I don't know what to say. Do you have any words?
No, I don't. This game says balls. I mean, okay.
Well, y'all heard it here, folks. But we will see you in the next episode of the Nicole's Diary production graduation series.